Hello everyone, I am Santosh Tanabagat. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to tell about a few words about on motivational stories. This topic is very interesting topic. So please I advise for you, please watch this video in. So first I will make question, then one by one I will give answer on that question to answer. So first question I will make what is motivational stories, and second question, why do people listen and why do people love to motivational stories, and third question, some motivational speakers name on YouTube channel. So first we have question, what is motivational story? Let me tell you about answer on that question. So what is motivational stories? So motivational stories motivate the people, encourage the people for goal, for success, for career, for education, for business. It's called motivational stories. So why do people love motivational stories? Because people, they are on problem, they are depression, they are difficult, they are any types of problem. So on that time they want that people who can guide them, who can encourage them. So, because they, any person encourage them, so try to again for work team. So that's why people love to motivational stories. And third question, some motivational speaker names on YouTube channel, as like there are many motivational speaker on the YouTube channel, as like Sandeep Maheshwari sir, Vivek Bindra sir, ujjwal Patni sir, Harshvardhan sir, Sonu Sharma sir, and many others motivational speaker on YouTube channel. So let me talk about Sandeep Maheshwari sir. And Sandeep Maheshwari sir, he is the greatest motivational speaker in India, because they have approximate 28 million subscribers on YouTube channel, and or you can go and search lots of video available for career. How can we make goal? How to make goal? How to focus on goal? How can we think? Life-changing program. These are videos available on YouTube channel by Sandeep Maheshwari sir. And because of Sandeep Maheshwari sir, lots of people, they change their life, because on that YouTube channel different kinds of video available. And second, I talk about Dr. Vivek Bindra sir. He also greatest motivational speaker in the world, because they have approximate 20 plus subscriber, 20 million subscriber on YouTube channel. And Vivek Bindra sir trained the for business, and train the for business people, and how can we grow our business, how can you grow your business, this type lots of video they made. And not only they train in India businessmen, they also train on other country, on abroad. So Vivek Bindra is also greatest motivational speaker on the world. And third, I talk about ujjwal Patni sir. They also greatest motivational speaker in India. It has they have approximate 7.5 million subscribers on YouTube channel. So it is very lots of motivational speaker on India country, and we pleasure for we born in India country. So finally I suggest, I advise for you student, some videos you have to watch that videos. You have to go on YouTube and search on YouTube. First you have to search, please search this video, because for you, because these videos lots of people watch this video and change their life. So you also watch this video. So first video, how to make our goal by Sandeep Maheshwari sir. And second questions, how to focus on goal by Sandeep Maheshwari sir. And third we have life changing program by Sandeep Maheshwari sir. And fourth video we have by Vivek Bindra sir. That video is how to control your mind. This video also is a famous video because this video is lots of people watched. I also again and again watched this video. Approximate 100 plus again I watched that video. So I always, this video is for you. And once more I am telling you about that videos. First videos, how to make your goal by Sandeep sir. And second video, how to focus on goal by Sandeep sir. And third video, life changing program by Sandeep sir. And fourth video, how to control your mind by Vivek Bindra sir. And fifth video, 3-step for career, 3-step build your career by Vivek Bindra sir. And sixth video, excuse video. These videos I suggest please watch this video, and because good for you, because motivational story is very important of our life, for changing our life. So please advise and suggest you have to watch this video.